Hey guys, today I wanted to do a review on how I clean my wheels with the IK Foam 1.5. This is basically a foam sprayer. Any detergent or cleaner you put in it, it turns it into a thick foam so that it'll hang on the wheel much longer rather than just spray on and slide off. So you get a little better cleaning, a little more lubrication because of the foam. Today I'm going to be using Meguiars Wheel Brightener, diluted 4:1, so 4 parts water to 1 part of wheel brightener. And it's basically an acid-based wheel cleaner. Doesn't damage the wheels. I use it all the time. The foamer is new to me. I've used it once before on a different car, but I'm going to show you on mine. This is the first time using the wheel brightener in this. I've used Castrol Super Clean. That works great in there. So here it is. I'm going to show you how it works. This is basically how I clean my wheels and keep everything looking nice and fresh. So check it out. I'm going to give this about 25 pumps. More or less until you feel the pressure build, which is built right now. Get this stuff out of the way. And you're just gonna foam your wheel up. If you need a little more, you can use a few more pumps. Barrel and just let it dwell. You can see the cleaner just hangs on there pretty nice. Castrol Super Clean does work a little better and gets foamier than this product, but it's pretty good considering. But I'll move you up closer. Got nice thick foam. But other products will foam a little better probably than this acid cleaner. Like I said, the Castrol Super Clean, that stuff looks like shaving cream once you do it. But this is still pretty good, and this is a better cleaner as far as breaking down brake dust. And here's my bucket of stuff. That's what I use for the barrel, for the face, and this is what I use for the tire. Spray a little on the brush, the lubrication. This stuff works really good. Always spray a little on the brush. Get the barrel. Always important to get your barrels nice and clean so that they don't get pitted over time and they look just as good as the rest of the wheel. A lot of people ignore this step, but very important when trying to keep a car nice. Get your caliper while you're in there. And this has a nice little tip on it so that you don't bang anything up. Kind of get in between your spokes a little bit with this. Alright. Give it a quick rinse. And that stuff works great. Fast, easy. Nothing on the glove. That's stained glove. See my finger? Nothing on there. So this is the IK Foamer 1.5. I ordered it from Autotopia. I can put the link in the description. It's about $25 shipped. Great product. And I'm going to keep continuing to use it. You can put any cleaner you want. It doesn't have to be just wheel cleaner. You could put car soap in there for other things. You could put stuff to do your interior. It's just an awesome product. So guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.